Welcome back to Popkin-Brogna Jiu-Jitsu, Nassau County's best martial arts school for kids. This video is designed for our students, but we thought everyone could benefit, so here goes. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our videos. Alright guys, so we are working our jump front kick. To do our jump front kick, we have to go into a sparring stance. The way we do that is like so. We take our right leg, move it to the side, and take it straight back. From there, our hands are up by our face to protect it. To do your jump front kick, you're going to take your front leg, move it back, chamber it nice and high. Chamber means to get your leg high and point your toes down. From there, you're going to lift up your back leg, jump, fire that kick, and land on the leg that was chambered. From there, go back into a sparring stance. You're going to do it one more time this way. Going into a sparring stance. Nice chamber, I fire my kick, I land, and back into a sparring stance. Alright guys, we're gonna get started. We're gonna practice 3 as fast as we can. You gotta start with set, bow. Say, yes, I can. Going into that sparring stance, get ready, set, go. 1, and 2, 3, set, bow. Forward breaking, we always point our toes to make sure we hit with the top of the foot and shin. But this kick can also be done with the ball of the foot. For more awesome videos, check out our Instagram page and our Facebook support group. If anyone would like to see a different technique, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.